Yeah, first one thing is, whenever you are doing any sort of this fancy diets, if daily you see someone advocating that do this, you lose weight, you understand that if you suddenly do anything means extreme, then what happens is your body protests against it. That we are trying to fight nature. So never do crash dieting, which is again scientifically none of the textbooks ever recommend that you suddenly go into not eating or trying to overeat some kind of food and avoiding certain kinds of food. No, because basically we have that system of having a certain degree of protein intake, certain degree of carbohydrate intake, and certain degree of fat intake also in form of good fats. So when we try to just topple that whole thing because of someone's thought process, we are actually fighting the system, and when the nature fights back, we know how bad it can be. So never try to disturb your body physiology by doing anything fad, and try to follow a healthy eating habit where you eat good quality protein, 50 to 60 grams daily, and then you eat a small gram of good quality fat which comes from the healthy dairy or the nuts, and then try to eat your carbohydrates as complex carbohydrates, not the refined carbohydrates like maida and sugar, but try to eat cereals and unpolished rice, whole wheat flour, and then I would say try to eat more fruits and fresh vegetables in your diet so that there's adequate fiber which will not allow a sudden surge in your sugars, what we call the low glycemic index foodstuffs. And this is what you should be eating. And then please exercise daily, at least go for a walk at least half an hour to 45 minutes daily, and that would make you achieve weight loss and help you maintain your body weight.